locker hiding wiener.
Hey,
I was.
They don't know.
If she knows I'm here, I'm gonna cry. Fuck her.
She pull you out?
No. Jada was hiding behind a bunch of boxes.
Yeah. I come to heal. Well, rescue, not heal. God, I got stuck in the fucking wall.
How did you heal, Data? Did you like...
Instant.
So Data's the tank,
Can
apparently.
someone come and heal me? I'm by
Yeah.
the exit gate in the corner, behind a tree. Carol.
She is so bad.
Again. Internet has not gotten better.
She is so bad. She's still on me if you guys want to get the generators done.
I mean, people should be getting generators done.
Right? I'll clap at you. I'll clap at you.
she thought. You get a DC? You get a DC?
Good freaking job.
She's leaving me! Oh, watch out! She left me! She shook her head no at me and then just left. It's the trapper. And he's going right for you. That sucks. Like, that is the trapper's worst.
Hearing 2 totems immediately explode.
Thanks, Ryan.
What?
Oh, he
what?
left! He left!
You got eviscerated.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. What the
Man, I almost got full healed too. Oh, hi Myers, you're down here with me now. Alright.
Oh
cool.
my god, that...
Did that,
What? He's blind. He's actually blind. As you
know
said
what
that,
the
I
fuck just
vaulted,
happened.
I vaulted through a window, landed on the stairs as he's going up the stairs, and somehow he didn't see me.
Way over there.
If you want to do it by this hole, I can heal you up.
Yeah. She's coming. She's
Yep,
right
run.
there.
Go, 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 go.
Oh shit. I was gonna say you could probably finish it, but...
I'll block if she
I gotta
throws
get
one.
hard so I can try to live.
Oh my
Thank
god,
you.
how the fuck?
No!
Ow!
Oh, no!
No!
I'm so sorry! Oh my god, I'm gonna make it. Oh my god, Data. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna finish it.
She's in the basement. Ryan! Ryan! She's in the... Why?
I'm sorry.
Is she on you?
Kinda, yeah.
I think the other person might be leaving.
Are they up here too?
Yeah, they left.
Oh, they're left.
Go on ahead and leave if you want.
I'm so sorry, Data. Fucking did that to you.
Yeah, I hear her close to me, so you should be free.
Kinda hear her fall. Yeah, she's falling.
Around.
I'm going for you.
And here he comes.
Here we go, kids.
You're free.
Got another Jenny. We can look for the trap door too.
Here he comes.
He's on me. He's on me. I should be dead.
Trapdoor is right over here. Shit, I don't know how to
Yeah.
describe it. You know where I got unhooked? In that
Yeah.
kind of area.
Where? Where?
Right in front of you. Like where you just ran by.
Yes! Fuck him! It's open.
I'm going.
30 seconds.
Oh, I see. Okay. Data, you little bitch.
I told him that he did. You didn't listen.
I didn't really, did I?
You did.
Maybe.
Go back the way.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Fuck
God.
you, Ryan.
Hello, friend.
Who are you chasing? No, don't chase him. Chase Data.
Yeah.
No, that's not
Yeah,
true.
please
He
say
hasn't been
that.
hooked once. He hasn't been hooked once. Don't be a
Yeah.
bitch.
No, he's hooked me. He's hooked all of us.
Why?
Yes!
I'm supposed to just.
Everyone who plays cannibal is a legitimate killer psychopath. in
He's
real
coming
life.
right for me. He's coming right for me. By the way, Minnie, I got you off because by the time anybody would be able to get you, you would have been already on second stage.
I'm here. I'm here.
Is he chasing anybody?
He's on me.
I'm gonna save your gen.
Please do.
I'm going to die,
I don't care if
boys.
it kills me. Just
Before,
look at Jen.
before I put the baby.
He's...
What?
No.
I didn't give up. I kept tapping. What the fuck?
Oh, it got too lax.
It's over, boys. Oh! Oh my god, the locker game. No!